All right, I am going to unbox my new Keen shoes. This is my old pair. They are pretty worn. I've had them for almost 2 years. Pretty much wear them every day. Love them. Time to replace them. So there's the old pair. Get out of here. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Keen utility, making boots that work for sure. Cool. Awesome. Let's get this stuffing out of there. Cool. These have a carbon toe, so I'm a competitive axe thrower. So I don't want to drop an axe on my toes. My business partner actually was sharpening a knife and it shot into the top of his foot and he had to get stitches. So I don't want that to happen to me. But here we go. My new Keen, I believe these are the Kenton, I think this is the model. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, there we go. Kenton Carbon Toe, oil slip resistant, electrical hazard, non-metallic, non-mutilating upper, Keen regen, heat resistant, cool. Awesome. All right, Keen Kentons.